Hello, in this video I want to show you how to equip spells in Dark and Darker. And to do this, it's available for a few of the classes. And for example, we have a cleric that can cast spells. Also, we have the warlock, bard also have spells, but that's a different story. Don't count it as spells. Also, there's a wizard and etc. I think druid have it as well. So for this presentation, let's enter the lobby with my cleric. Navigate to your class, then in perks and skills, make sure that you have at least one spell memory equipped. There's two of them. So in this case, I'm gonna equip one. And then judgment on the other one. Then we can navigate to the spell. And right here you'll be able to equip 5 different spells on each spell memory slot. In this case we have equipped only one, that means we can only equip 5 spells. Then there's the memory capacity that you can use, and each spell on the slot costs a specific amount of spell memory. And in this case, if we would like to equip 2 tier 7 cost spells, it would give us 14 spell memory used. And if we equip additional resurrection, for example, it will cost us 22 when we have 21. And that means we won't be able to use the last spell that we just equipped, that means resurrection. So make sure that your spell costs are counted in the spell memory all the time. Now let's move back to the perks and skills. You can also equip additional spell memory slot. Let's equip it instead of a judgment. Then we can navigate to the spells, and here on the left you can find the spells as well, and you can equip them the same way, but keep in mind they also still cost you the spell memory. That means if you equip too much, you won't be able to use it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.